4S, 8S.
Whoa!
We continue our fun after we burn our tires though.
We needed Eric with his Max. Yeah.
You gotta try it again with Eric.
We need 10 X-Wings.
For real. Yeah, we're still getting some grip on the sand.
They're still good, they just lost a little bit of skin. Oh. Paddle tires are great because you get some serious grip. But sometimes you just want to slide around and like come into a turn and just drift the whole thing, four-wheel drive.
Monster. Woo! Woo! She's a flyer today.
Oh.
As I miss.
And in case you were wondering, yes, my top half is cold and my bottom half is warm. It's backwards day.
Got to keep the nipples warm, man. Can't have them cutting diamonds out here.
Whoa!
Gotta keep you on your toes, man. Come on. You're slacking over there.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Oh, nice. Whoa.
Just a little redirect. Oh, oh, oh.
Indo. Jeez.
I'm able to get some little bit of distance on that into the little shack. If you'll look right here, you will see dog ard.
Dog ard. Oh no. If you've seen this poochie, let us know. I just painted myself in sand. Whoa! Oh, not the for sale sign. Now that dude's gonna come out and be mad. Look at that old truck coming. What is it? Yeah.
Parallel park.
Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. To the coconut tree.
Who said you can't drift an XRT on the road? But I don't like having tread on my tires.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm doing.
We're used to paddle tires.
And that's how you parallel park.
Wrecker! Thank you for the crunch. I am very crunched right now.
I flipped it, but at what cost?
Okay, okay. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. It took it. Oh my gosh. Badink, badunk. Oh. Yeah, you didn't think that one through, huh? Oh, nice.
It's gonna sling everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Bro, you did it to yourself. Oh, there's mud on the glasses. When homie does it to himself.
I thought it was dry.
It be your own self.
Not my pitties.
Not the grandma getters.
No, the grandma getters are the other ones.
Oh,
I'll wear those in another video, I promise.
okay, good. Oh. I didn't get that on video. Just kidding, I
Wait,
did.
can I jump the basketball hoop?
Jump the basketball hoop. Someone's perfectly good hoop.
Oh! Saved it. All right. Well, you know what we have to do now. Yep. I'll move. Maybe. If not, my broken ankle will make some good content. 3, 2, 1.
That was close, Eric. You're almost in the way. We got a 3-way race.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go! I hung with the XRT on that one.
I always forget that I can go full throttle
Uh-huh.
on the XRT in the grass. Because with the paddle tires, I can't. Otherwise, it just wheelies. But with these, I can full throttle because it spins a little.
We got another race.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, no. You're
Oh
back
my
up,
God.
Eric?
Dude, I crossed the whole field. I zigzagged in front of everybody.
You hit my tire and flew up in the air.
I don't think I hit anybody, but I was doing this in front of everybody.
Yeah, you caused me to slam in the air.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa. I can't full throttle, I guess.
3, 2, 1, go.
That Rustler is insane.
I haven't lost yet.
What do you mean? I smoked you on that one.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it was so late.
I still think you made it up.
I made it up.
3S, 4S, 8S.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go! Finally!
I couldn't keep it straight.
Traxxas is gonna be like, not another motor, man.
Whoa, I got totally sideways. Oh, I died, that's why.
Low power mode?
Yeah, that's why.
How'd I beat you this time with low power mode?
Are you in low power mode?
No. That's the first time you've ever died before me, Nick. Let's go, Max.